So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix up your broken guitar strings. If it is cut at the beginning of the scope, then you can remove the pin and attach it again. After attaching it, so after you can wind it, you can see that the guitar string is short. So you can see that the broken string is rewinded, but it fails to meet up the length requirements. So now what we do is take up the broken piece of both the strings, the longer one and the shorter one. If you don't have sufficient length of the shorter one, you can take up any strings from the leftover part. Now all you need is a nail. So I have taken the smaller piece of the string and I have made up windings using the sledgehammer, and I have done the same with the shorter and the longer parts. Then I have interfaced both these strings and then have connected using a tie knot. As you can see, you have to make sufficient around 5 to 10 turns so that it can withstand the force of the tuning. Now I have inserted a nail into the O-ring and started making a few turns so that it will withstand all the load. I'm going to do the same thing with the shorter part also. Now you can see that I have connected both the strings using a tie knot. Now put the shorter part into the winding part and start tightening it and tune it as per the guitar standards.